Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Agnes, and today we are going to look at how you can convert PDF into Word document. So let's get started. So here is your browser. You will type in PDF to Word and you search for it. So you have a lot choosing PDF to. So here you will choose the PDF that you want to convert it into Word document. So I'll go to desktop and then I'm choosing the calculator tutorial. That's the PDF. I want to convert it into Word. I want to add more things. I want to edit it, so I'm converting it into Word. So when it's done uploading, then you go to start. So upload, then it will just download you. So this is our Word document. You can edit it, add or edit or do anything with it and save it back. This is how you will use to convert PDF into Word and edit it. It's so simple.